Hello, hello, hello po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon naman, samahan niyo ako dito sa The Gelato Factory. Ito ay located din sa Sarona Market. So, parang continuation ito ng Sarona Market vlog. And kung titingnan niyo yung ambience niya, it's nice. And look at the wall decor. And ang nakakatuwa guys, alam nyo ba, we came to this shop na 'di ba ang specialty nila is gelato or ice cream nga kasi ngayon yung name. Pero ang nakakatuwa, we ordered two shakes. Kasi napagod ang lola nyo na naglakad-lakad and mainit sa labas. Pero you might as well try yung mga ice cream nila. They offer different flavors. Tingnan nyo naman, very colorful. They have vanilla, they have chocolate, strawberry, ganyan na flavor, coffee, and so on and so forth. And for the fruit shake, guys, ito din yung mga fruits na in-offer nila. They have dates, pineapples, mangoes, bananas, strawberries, watermelon, melon, and so on and so forth. Pero we only choose two fruits, which is yung watermelon and then yung strawberry. Let us also appreciate din yung ambience and decorations ng shop na ito. So you can see, nakalagay dito sa wall yung The Gelato Factory. We make the best ice cream pero we did not try their ice cream. So sad. We only tried yung fruit shake and yung yogurt. Makikita nyo mamaya. So ayan siya, very simple. And maliit lang actually yung space sa loob, but you can also sit outside. May mga upuan din sa labas, pero we chose to sit here sa loob. Dito sa counter, nakalagay yung different cups, yung sizes. We have the large, medium, and small. Naka-indicate din yung prices dyan. Yan yung cup for this ice creams. And it's very pleasing lang. Sa ice kasi very colorful yung ice cream. And if you don't want to try ice cream, they have naman fruit shakes. And ito na guys, yung taste test ng fruit shake nila. Pero for me, I don't like yung fruit shake. Hindi ko sure, pero parang there is something, hindi naman panis, pero parang ganon, pero hindi. Pero pati si friend, hindi niya din bet. So there, we decided na lang na kumuha din ng yogurt. And we opted for the granola toppings. And then, next is grapes. Actually, ang dami ding pag-options, no? And we chose ata yung nuts, ba? Yes. Minsan sa dinami-dami ng option, hindi na namin alam kung ano ang pipiliin. And there, I love itong yogurt. So if magawi kayo dito, try nyo. Masarap yung yogurt nila. And tada! Ito na siya. Tingnan nyo naman, nakakatakam. Pero ang sarap niya guys. I like this one. I recommend. If ever na magawi kayo dito sa the Sarona Market and you're looking for something na gusto nyong kainin, ganyan. So you might as well try itong yogurt nila. We ordered one kasi for us okay na to. Sapat na kasi di ba nag fruit shake din kami pero it's good for sharing.